lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. All of me friend them rich. My lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. What's that shit on me wrist? And the ice on the chain them a drip. My lifestyle rich.
Me day on market, me I try look for me June plum and I'll make a jing bang
June plum, how much a dozen? What are the ripe Zoe?
So then I can't eat them right as me go up, daddy?
This is one solid
solid what?
lettuce, baby.
No, I don't need lettuce, I have lettuce of fried plastic lettuce and thing. Up. Daddy, I'll come out. Where? What? This and what?
Scotch bonnet.
Okay. Come, you know what to do with the thing.
You know what you're
look at the scotch bonnet pepper, you guys. It looks so good.
What go on, sir?
Can I get some, please, miss?
Yes, man.
1 5 dozen. June plum. Daddy, herb and pick the one them when me forget. Miss, how you sell them? How much for them? That's not fair, miss.
That's what I'm saying.
Daddy, they make one lady.
Let one bag. What much you want?
I guess I can get a dozen of these. No? 2 or 1? And then they get the rest of them up there. Yeah.
You don't want June plum.
I'm thinking of weight. Hello. I'm thinking of weights, okay? It's 9 here. Ooh, thanks, Miss Lady. Thanks. So nice.
That's why I might as well. She just
okay, get it then.
So that's a dozen here now there.
Yeah. This is what market should look like. Like, this is what I should grocery shop in when I go grocery shopping. You know? Them way there? Yeah. Healthiness to say.
Like you love your June plum.
Yes. You probably wouldn't have got either. Yeah. Say what place called again? Market. Whoa. But they are market. Oh my god. Them have plastic cabbage. Them have Young's wholesale here, you know. What's a haberdashery?
I sell everything like
So I'm pretty like money. Look at the size of this, like natural, like so good. This is what oranges are supposed to look like, you guys. That them bright orange.
Them think I smile, man, I greet them with butter. Bell buckle, man, I beat them with. Little pitney, them you must think them big butter. Bell buckle, man, I beat them with. So if I know the flag, we have done a white. If you can't manage, why you have to stay out of fight? A funeral keep up the 990.
One next side of market. Up. Buy up my things. I'm so excited. They're buying things. I'm going to go to bakery to go get my sugar bun them and but I got my June plum. Up. I got daddy some orange. I got my scotch bonnet pepper. I have seasoning. And yeah, up. You guys, so I'm on my way home. I'm gonna stop at this new jerk place near our house on the way home. Texas jerk and seafood. It's kind of dear-ish. I never expected it so dear, but I'm gonna go try it out and see. We did well one Burger King or Island Grill, but tomorrow me get the Island Grill fries when I want because we go there at the airport where them sell it and stuff. But it's cute, a little cute little setup, you know, a cute little date night and stuff. If you're on a vacation, you can come here and sit down, and then you see the ocean out over there. So on the seats, no, I see it, yeah, the ocean out over there. So and ting, and then this is where you order your food. And then yeah, and you get free Wi-Fi to the number here if you don't want to call and make reservation in. See this song? Up. Hi daddy. Huh? I'm promoting. Did you come to this party? Did you come to this party? Top shelf. Whoa. So we're just waiting for my order now. Jerk pork, fries, and festival. Let me get everything. Come here, I left, so I have to eat everything. You understand? Even if I don't eat it, as long as I taste it, I get everything.
That's all you do with food.
What, taste? Guys, my slush was so good from Mega Mart. Like, it was so good. I always try buy them, but it was so good. There was blue, yellow, and red. The yellow is obviously mango. The blue, I don't know what blue fruit on have Jamaica. Maybe. And then the red must be some like raspberry or strawberry or something. But it was so good. It's my last morning. I'm gonna go say bye to everything I care about. Where my daddy gone? Oh. Say goodbye to the workshop, you guys. Wow. Daddy, may I come? What? What? Oh, I'm sorry. Daddy, it was very strenuous for me.
Yes, sir.
It was very strenuous for me. Like, I couldn't. Yeah, I do. I never flush the toilet. You see, fill with toilet, you have to fill up one bucket of water and flush it. You see? I have one. I don't really want to give you too much information, but it hurt me for shit sometime. So I did forget about it, because this one did hurt, like my foot did cock up on the wall and the door and all of them someday. So yeah, so I'm gonna walk to the pond. I'm gonna say bye to the pond for this trip, of course. And yeah, me need the water boots, you know, but me nah carry them. They're lucky. I mean, I'm a slippers and the socks them with my brother. My tea from my brother. Jenna. And then I want to Ross. See me, I slip on a slide and thing. But yeah, I gotta do this and then come back home and pack. I don't really have that much to pack. There's not really much to pack. It's like December, so there isn't really anything about December. There isn't really much in Jamaica to carry up right now. Jesus. So I don't really have that much to pack. I just have plum, my tea them, me get one breadfruit that roast this morning. What else do I have to carry up? Plum, breadfruit, tea. I'm gonna bun them, and then I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna buy some movies, some CDs, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, my movie CDs, my chips, I want to pick up some coffee from like my work co-workers and some souvenirs for my giveaway stuff. So yeah. There's movement in the water. See the ruffling? There's fish, you guys. Look. That's crazy. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit, that is crazy. Let me move far from this so before anything can jump out after me, understand? Up. Do my thing and go on me yard, yeah? That's crazy. Once again, until next time. Daddy. Oh, pass my bag juice. Pass me one of them. My bag juice. I have to take advantage. Till December, house. Till December. Why is it raining? Blessings on blessings on blessings. It's so cool. When I was coming, it was raining. And then for the chill with us, it was raining for me in the morning. And I'm gonna go home and it's sprinkling, raining.
Everybody say they're raining for summer. Stand up for a while and we'll move off.
I'm leaving, you guys. I just checked in. I'm leaving. And my dad's in pain. What's new? You get older, you get in pain, you know?
Just you want crack on the pain gone. You ever had a crack your finger?
Yeah, or like, oh, when I have a crick in my neck. Ooh, and I feel that. I'm like, oh yes, God is good. Oh God. A long day of traveling again. One stop, and then we stop again. And then I'll hope, and then one stop, and then I'll drive off, and then I'll be home. Daddy, I miss you.
You hope it's not like coming down.
Yeah, exactly. But these are bigger aircraft, so I don't think I'll have a problem like before.
Okay.
With tongues. Oh, sorry, you're in the people them way. Later. Oh, God, Lord Jesus, Lord.
I love you.
I love you too. Oh. I will call you when I reach up tomorrow.
Yep.
I think, yeah.
So you always say.
Yeah. Yeah, look. Oh yeah. So yeah, I'm leaving, guys. Just done bar. So I'm going to Atlanta, and then from Atlanta I'll be going to Toronto. So
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome
so sad. I miss my dad. I miss his dad.
Race flight time, 2 hours and 30 minutes as we head back that way. Pretty much the exact. Looks like they got permission to push about 10 minutes early out of here, so we're gonna see if we can hold to that.
Anyways, until I get to Atlanta, you guys.
If we can do that, that'll work.
It's so beautiful,
was so busy. It was just ridiculous. When I charged it for something, all of my phones then, well, my vlogging phone was on like 6% by the time I came off my flight. And my iPhone died before I got on my flight. Well, no, when I was sitting down after I called Daddy to tell him I was sitting and whatever. Yeah, or whatever. By the time the plane took off, we done ball. Remember that the plane there? Did a whole because you could have feel when the wheels them could have gone in, when them did have come out, when you did a low himself, it was just too much. But I'm eating because I'm hungry and I feel like gas will take me up. I mean, I don't really want too much of it because I have to wake up early and I work now. But I'm eating Panda Express. I got some Beijing chicken. I mean beef, orange chicken, and a tasty it, and chow mein. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my next flight. I'm in Atlanta. I'm waiting to take off. They were just looking for volunteers to see if there was anybody who wanted to take a flight to Toronto tomorrow instead. I don't know, they asked me to stay there when I was in Montreal. And they would give us like an $800 voucher, hotel included, all that type of stuff. No one got me at. I don't want to be traveling. Anyways, yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now until I board. So I'll see you guys later.
I'm upset about it, people. Me dey back at Canada. People, you can imagine, look at me in my room, look at all idiot room. There is no blue walls. There is no burglar bar for me to unlock in the morning or lock at evening time. Anyways, I come home. We reach home about 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock this morning. And I'm up this morning at work. I think I have to leave out earlier than stay until 5. But yeah, that me I'll go do. I'm just gonna unpack my stuff real quick. And then yeah, me sure wouldn't want me bring back from Jamaica. So here's what I brought back. I can't believe I took my dad's peas. I mean, I take them outside bag. But pimento, chicken and chips, tigers, Bigfoot, plantain, pineapple. Me get teeth on calendar from Progressive Foods. My jute plum, alcohol, scotch bonnet pepper, seasoning, thyme and patience, sugar bun, and Ebola. This is a breadfruit. I got my quenchade, cinnamon, fever grass, and I ate that. Oh, wait there, Aki. Up. Yeah, so that's me coming home. Yes, I just unpacked. So yeah, I'm gonna go get ready for work and then me come back soon. Okay, bye. So while your dumpling is